Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and discharging static. This prevents damage while you work. Once unplugged, open the case and visually inspect the M.2 slot, standoff position, and retention screw. Misalignment is a common cause. Make sure the drive's keying and interface match the slot. NVMe uses PCIe lanes while SATA M.2 uses the SATA controller, so compatibility matters. If you see debris or a loose connector, clear it and reseat the SSD firmly. Then close and power on to check BIOS presence. Once in BIOS, you must confirm the slot is enabled and the storage mode matches the drive. Set SATA to OSI or NVMe/PCIe for NVMe drives. If the drive still hides, update the motherboard BIOS and chipset drivers because new firmware often adds drive support. Make sure to save and reboot between changes. If uncertainty remains, test the M.2 in another compatible system or use an M.2 USB adapter to isolate motherboard versus drive failure. This narrows down where the fault lies. If the BIOS shows the drive but your OS doesn't, you need to initialize and format it in disk management. That makes partitions visible. Also review lane sharing rules in the manual. Some M.2 slots disable SATA ports or reduce PCIe lanes when populated, so move other cards or drives if necessary. If problems persist, swap the suspect SSD with a known good M.2 to determine whether the motherboard or the drive is at fault. If swap testing fails, contact motherboard or drive support for RMA options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.